In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your exterior door handle on your Chevy HHR. It's located on the outside of the door. You're going to need a T25 Torx bit, and you're going to go in on an angle through this hole, and you're going to find a bolt. You can use a light if needed, if you can't find it, and you're going to undo the bolt. Once you undo the bolt, it stays in there. And now we're going to remove our outer door handle. To do that, you're going to pull this out, remove this piece, and then you're going to slide this way. And remove it. We can take this off as well if it doesn't fall off first. Let's put our gasket on. Make sure the tabs go into these two holes, and that'll hold it in place. Push it over the lock cylinder, and that should stay pretty good. Now we're going to put our handle in. I'm going to insert it in. Make sure it's engaged in the rod. You're going to slide it down so it clicks in place. Now we're going to pull this out and put the other end in and let it go down. And now we're ready to tighten our bolt. Tighten it down. Just make sure you have a hand on the other end, holding it still as you tighten this up. Once you feel like there's some resistance and it's getting tighter, don't over tighten it. Just go a little bit. Make sure it's secured, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.